Many times what we do is the university asked one question, but we have written another answer for the same question. Sometimes we may confused about the questions. So many times it happens, one student has written very well in the answer, but when they realized, means when they came to house and they checked, means they have written wrong answer for the question. So many times it happens. Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about how to write an answer for each questions. So many times we are making mistakes. Why? Because sometimes we may not study it well for the subject. Sometimes it may happens, that is human tendency and human nature it is. But my advice is to, for all KSLU 3 and 5 years LLB students, that please be thoroughly study about the question. If you don't understand the question properly, so you are unable to answer for the question. So first of all, we need to understand the question properly. Without understanding the question, sometimes what we do is, they have asked some other question, we have written some according to us that is correct, but while evaluating your answer from the evaluators, that would be a wrong. My dear friends, that is why you have to understand. Sometimes they may twist the question. So I can give one example. In public international law, there are many charters are there. UN charter, Europe charter, American charter, there are many. So what you will write in the university examination, they have asked UN charter. You will write Europe charter. That will be a wrong, my dear friends. So you have made efforts, so much of efforts while writing your examination. According to you, that is correct, but if you come and cross check the question for an answer, that would be wrong. So that is the reason while issuing the paper, you have to understand properly the question. First of all, my advice is to, which you know very well, that you need to answer first. Whether it could be any question, any unit. First you prefer 10 marks question. From 10 marks question, there will be a 10 question for 10 marks. Among 10 question, which one you know very well, you don't have any confusion on that you write and start your answer, so that you will get calm. Once you return, your mind will get calm. After that, what your mind will be going very smooth. Then you can able to understand question. Then next you go again another question which you know very well. So like that you have to give priority wise. What are all the questions you do not know, that you keep last, so that you can able to think of that question and you can able to answer for that. Many times it happens, my dear friends. And even you can, so many of the students, what they do, they have asked the question civil and political rights, but we have written an answer economic and social rights. So if we write like this, many times we may confused. So we should not confuse about the question especially. You have written very well, you have written 3 to 4 pages for 10 marks, but that will be waste, my dear friends. If you don't understand properly the question, many of the times they may twist the question. So sometimes we may write characters. For that characters we may write rules. So that will be sometimes they may ask essential, we may write other characters. So like that it will be there. So please understand essential characters, some other questions you have to understand properly. So many of the times what they do, along with that you have to case laws also you have to write, they tell like that. But what we do is sometimes we may know very well about the answer, we have written the everything, introduction, conclusion, key points, everything we have written, but we left about case laws. If you write like this, you won't get marks, my dear friends. So that is how my methodology would be always like, you have to write introduction, you have to write section or subsections, you have to write meaning or definition, you have to write after that key points. For each key points you have to elaborate 2 to 3 lines for with connective case laws and with connective illustrations you have to write. So after that you have to conclude. So you have to manage like this, and you have to write proper, and you have to understand the question properly, then only you have to answer for any question. So this is my advice. I hope this video have been clarified about how to understand the question properly, and they may ask in the university examination, they may twist also many times. So you need to understand properly, and after that you have to answer for any questions. I hope this video have been clarified your doubts. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will notify very good videos like this. Why you need to subscribe my channel? Because I do a lot of efforts for you all, because time is precious. For that time I am giving valuable videos to you, so that you will notified very good notifications from the KSLU. And for academics I can give best of best videos, and for your examination point I have made many important most expected question in this channel, so that you can able to if you get subscribed you will get notified. If I make one video today, you will get notified. So that is the reason you need to subscribe my channel. So I do a lot of efforts for you all. I hope my videos are very good for your academics and your LLB examinations. Thank you.